Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a 1985 Chevrolet Camaro. So this is one of my favorite casting in this series. Okay, let me. Okay, I don't need a knife for this. I totally forgot about that. So I bought this for 899, which is the MRP. So okay, here it is. So here is the card art. Again, I personally love Majorette card arts. This looks absolutely amazing. It looks really monstrous, and they included the logo here. I mean, that is really nice if you are going to if you're planning to put a small album kind of thing, or even use this as a backdrop. If you cut this out and if you use this as a back backdrop for this particular car, I mean, not inside this case, it is not going to be possible. Maybe if you're going to put it in these kind of boxes, this is going to look absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so here is the rear. So let me put this aside. Let me just get into the casting directly. I don't want to waste any time showing this case again and again. So a lot of people are asking me where I'm buying this, where I'm buying this, all this. I told multiple times I'm not getting this one shop nowadays. I'm not getting this one shop nowadays. I mean, all these guys stopped supporting nowadays. So, I mean, so I just roam around. I mean, in case if I'm finding something, I'll just buy. If not, I'm not going to buy anything at all. So I'll just sit in Facebook or somewhere, if I'm getting some Johnny Lightning or some kind of brands, I'll just buy that. I did buy a lot of Johnny Lightning very recently. So I do have a lot, to be honest. I will be unboxing those soon. So okay, let's get into this casting. Okay, out of the box, the casting looks really good. I mean, you can see the interior like really well. I mean, they went with clear windshields on this one. That is really awesome. I mean, you can this looks really good, right? And instead of metal always does this, black tinted windshields. I don't know who is going to benefit from that. If you're giving some kind of interior, we need to see the interior. We need to feel that, we need to enjoy that. So Majorette does that really well. So it has acrylic inserts for headlights. That is really cool. I was really expecting a paint there, but they did acrylic inserts there. Looks really good. It has grill details here. So it has rear view mirrors here. Okay, rear view mirrors are made of plastic. These are not silicone or anything like they do Mini GT does. Mini GT or Pop Race does. These are plastic pieces, which is really good. When it comes to longevity, because silicone or rubber tends to melt over time. Okay, it has acrylic tail lights as well. That is really, really, really nice. So the paint job looks really good. I'm not having anything to complain here. Okay, this is a full metal casting. So it's a full metal body and full metal chassis. So, and the tires are rubber with plastic rims. So it looks absolutely beautiful. So think about it. We are getting M2s around the same price range if you are buying it from Facebook. So some M2s have openable parts, some M2s doesn't have. But most of the M2s comes with painted headlights and tail lights. But I do love M2s. I'm not complaining there. But that particular segment now, Majorette is really taking over. That's what I feel. Because these looks absolutely gorgeous. I mean, these are proper 1:64 castings. And I personally love it. Let's see if it has suspension. Yeah, it does. It has suspension. So even with suspension, they maintain that ground clearance really well. Okay, let's weigh this casting now. 42 grams, not bad. So again, we are not going to do a roll test or anything, but I mean, we are not going to consider that as a aspect for rating, but Let's see if it rolls. No, it doesn't. It doesn't move at all. Okay, let's rate this casting now. So I'm not seeing any issue at all. It has literally all the details to it, and they did it really well. So solid 10 out of 10 for this casting. Again, if you guys are able to get any from this series, so we still have, I think, the NSX, Honda NSX, but apart from that, uh, if you're able to get any of this from this particular series, my personal suggestion would be go ahead and get it. At least get this one, or at least the Chevy, the Corvette. Even if not, at least get the BMW. So NSX I'm yet to unbox. I'm really excited to unbox that particular casting, being given that it's a JDM and all. Okay, let's see. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.